Now we're going to test the facade design pattern code that we've written, and this is going to be a program called test facade, and it has a public constructor. As you see here, this public constructor, we're going to create a simple product facade object. As you recall from the simple product facade class, that actually creates a difficult product object internally and stores it. You could, of course, alter the simple product facade constructor so that you could pass a difficult product object to the constructor if you wanted to, but in this case, in this simple example, the simple product facade class creates a difficult product object when it's instantiated, and so the simple product facade object already contains a difficult product object, and now we're going to set the name of the object to printer. And this is a test of the facade because the setName method is a facade method that internally calls the difficult product methods set first name character, set second name character, and so forth. And so this is going to be a test of the facade because you just set the single name. Call this single name method set name in order to set the name of the product. In this case, going to set the name of the product to printer. And then to confirm that that actually worked, we're going to print out this product is a, and then we're going to use the simple product facade's getName method, which just calls the difficult product object's getName method, and that returns the name of the object that was created. So that's the way you work with facades. You can create a facade object like this, which wraps a difficult object, or you can actually pass that difficult object to the constructor as you like. In this case, the simple product facade class creates a difficult product object and stores it internally. Then you can use the facade methods such as setName and pass, in this case, you pass the whole name as a string to the setName method, and the setName method handles the internal details of working with the difficult products interface, setting the actual name character by character. And to confirm that actually worked, we're going to print out that this product is a, and we're going to use the simple product facade object's getName method, which is actually going to be the difficult product object's getName method. And you should see, if all goes correctly, this product is a printer. So let's give that a shot. And we're going to test out the facade design pattern right now with the Java test facade command line like this. You see as it worked, this product is a printer. We're able to set the name of the difficult object using only the setName method of the facade. Now that's a facade method, not an inherent method built into the difficult product, and that's what using facades is all about, making the interface to difficult products or difficult classes a lot easier to work with. In this case, instead of having to pass the name character by character, you can pass it as a single string and use the setName method. As you saw, it was functional, it worked, and that's an example of working with the facade design pattern, very close to the adapter design pattern actually, except that in this case, the idea is you use the facade design pattern to make an interface of an existing object or class easier to work with, rather than using an adapter which actually adapts the code between a existing object and an existing receptacle for that object. So the facade pattern is very much like the adapter pattern, except that its object is to make the interface to a difficult class or object a lot easier to work with, and that's the facade design pattern. So related to the adapter pattern, not exactly equal to the adapter pattern, but very close to it.